Hello and welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to go over the different types of wheelchair conversion vans that we offer and see what style might be the best fit for you. But before we get into that, I want to mention we do offer nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services, as well as different finance options that give you quick approval responses and fantastic rates. Now let's go ahead and look at those conversion vehicles. Starting with the side entry in-floor automatic ramp and kneeling systems. These systems are typically the higher end models, as you do not lose any room in the vehicle as the ramp is stowed underneath the flooring in the center of the van. With the touch of a button, your sliding door opens up and your ramp and kneeling system are engaged. The kneeling system allows your van to lower to the ground, lowering the angle of your ramp to make riding into the van that much easier. These systems are perfect for the independent mobility unit user, as you can dock your mobility unit behind the steering wheel with the proper lockdown system. Next, the side entry fold-out automatic ramp and kneeling systems. Similar to the in-floor systems, these are perfect for the independent mobility user as everything is automatic. The fold-out systems are slightly cheaper than the in-floor models, as you do lose a little bit of the room between both sliding doors as the fold-out ramp stands vertically while stowed against the passenger slide door. The manual in-floor and fold-out systems are best used when you have a companion to assist you with getting in and out of the vehicle, as some of these systems have manual slide doors, but mainly have a manual ramp. These manual conversion vans do not offer the kneel system, so the ramp angle will be larger than the systems that offer kneeling. The plus side of a manual ramp system is cost. These conversions are typically significantly cheaper than the automatic systems. Here are some reasons the rear entry system may be a good fit for you. If you need a wider ramp and a taller entryway, a rear entry is a great way to go. This system will only work for mobility riders who have a driver, as there is no access to the driver or passenger areas. But you still have access to the center seats in most cases. Another plus using a rear entry system is that you can park in any parking spot, as these do not require extra room like a side entry does. Mobility unit positioning for side entry vehicles have a few positions that you and your mobility unit can securely sit in. You can position your chair in the center of the vehicle and securely tie down your mobility unit. From here, you can either stay in your mobility unit or transfer into either the driver or passenger seat. There are turnout seats available in some cases if needed. Most side entry conversion vans have removable front driver and passenger seats, which allow you to drive your mobility unit into either position. This requires a lockdown system to safely secure your mobility unit to the van. AutoMobility Store offers a large range of different years, makes, and model conversion vehicles, as well as top conversion brands such as Braunability, VMI, AMS Vans, and much more. Quick finance approval response and nationwide shipping and delivery services are available. For all of your mobility needs, call AutoMobility Store at 1-800-431-3183.